是咁的，本來想同朋友去白俄羅斯，但係機票太貴啦，所以我哋今次旅行嘅目標就係愛沙尼亞嘅 Tartu、Tallinn 同埋 Latvia 嘅 Riga。又係一個凌晨4點半，又係呢個機場巴士時間。去程會係愛丁堡飛 Helsinki， 然後再轉機前往 Tartu。Helsinki 因為仲落緊雪，所以佢成片大地都係灰蒙蒙嘅，好靚。喺 Helsinki 同朋友 Natalie 會合，然後我哋一齊飛去 Tartu。飛之前就買咗少少嘢食下。係時候上機啦，呢啲短途機都好細。Finnair 有樣好特別嘅嘢，就係佢嘅機上飲品有藍莓汁。然後我哋落地 Tartu 啦，佢嘅機場超級細，好似淨係可以飛 Helsinki。Tartu 嘅機場淨係得2個櫃台，然後2個都係 Finnair 嘅。機場搭上巴士前往市區，依家周圍都有 contactless payment， 真係好方便。去外國旅行都唔使特登換外幣。Tartu 嘅建築風格好有特色，佢好多都係呢啲木質嘅外牆，然後佢整體嘅色調亦都偏灰少少。我覺得應該，我都好想俾 attention 佢。我都有啊，快啲過嚟啦！
Ice Kingdom 唔係 Winter Wonderland 嗰個。
睇落都好似好正常咁樣，唔知入口喺邊呢？ Oh my god, your phone is so cute！ 擺低行李之後，我哋就去咗 Tuumamägi。
Over there we had observatory to kind of observe all the enemies that are coming attacking this particular hill over here.
I don't think that was the observatory.
Everything that I said is absolutely wrong, so that don't believe me. And over here we have the angel witch. Like, considering all the history that I said just now is absolutely correct. I just didn't know the name of the war and...
呢一條呢，就係天使橋附近嘅惡魔橋。So pretty。呢個就係 Tartu Cathedral。
Abandoned castles.
It's a cathedral.
Okay, welcome to Arendelle. So what you're looking at right now, that statue over there is basically Elsa's mom and dad, which are being frozen to death, and then therefore they built a statue kind of like to like a memory of them. And over here, it's like the castle that Elsa will eventually turn into ice and then turn into her own castle by singing "Let It Go." And then right now it's not there yet because Elsa has not come. So like hopefully, if we wait here, we will hopefully see this turn into Ice Kingdom. I feel the magic kind of surrounding you. And then like the remnants of the snow, which are connoting the start of winter.
It's the end of winter, it's March.
Yes.
Wait, no, it's April.
You can see in the distance some of the leaves are kind of swallowing by themselves. That's the magic of the woods.
I think that's the wind.
City. Yes, and wind is also another spirit that they have.
You said there was a snowflake on top. If you observe closely, it will be a cross.
It looks like a snowflake. A cross.
呢個係 Tartu Catholic Church， 有人話呢個係 Tartu 唯一嘅天主教教堂。之後我哋行返市區 ，Tartu 其實都唔係好大。呢個係 Tartu 嘅市政廳。之後我哋就去咗市中心嘅商場。Somewhere in London。
亞洲文化扭蛋機。
我哋嘅晚餐就食咗拉麵，以歐洲國家嚟講，佢嘅水準相當驚人。食完就去咗 超市行下，買咗2個甜品返酒店食，有呢個 Manava 同埋另外呢個唔知係咩，但係據說 cookies and cream 嘅東西。
士多啤梨，我都未食，點知好食。
Estonian classics and traditions.
第2日呢，就竟然落雪喎。
It's so like Christmassy.
It's April。落雪啊，yeah！
And then we have enough time.
好靚啊！落雪啊！
See the flakes of things.
哇！係咪好大嚿？點解捉極都捉唔到？
我哋今日要去嘅係愛沙尼亞國家博物館，唔知點解佢唔擺首都擺 Tartu。呢個呢就係 Radi Park。咁因為地下呢有好多雪，所以我抗拒唔到呢個人類嘅本能，一路行一路喺度整雪球。
It's the snowball globe thing. We're gonna just damage it. Yes. Let's see whether this will sink or float or melt. It bursted. Successful lake with its beautiful view. Amazing. Look at the craftsmanship, the sculpting expertise.
好似嗰啲雙層嘅泡芙，一啲都唔似雪人。
Yeah, no. I mean, Suyan is okay. I think Suyan. It goes well with Suyan. Yes, look at this.
I think it
look
looks
at
like
this.
spoon. Okay, fine, no hammer.
It will sit here forever. This is how it's gonna do. And this really beautiful lake.
呢個呢就係荒廢咗嘅 Radi Manor， 牆壁有展示以往愛沙尼亞人民生活嘅境況。然後我哋就行到國家博物館啦。
It's an excavator, damn it!
Here's it. I got it. Oh dear. Fort. Oh, it's actually hard. It's actually hard.
然後我哋嘅科學精神開始燃燒，
Rocks.
我哋想知係咪成個湖都結咗冰。
Let's try.
That made a hole. It also made a hole. It's just really close.
實驗證明，淨係佢嘅表面結咗。
Yeah, the ball dancing. It's like boom, boom, and then a bunch of us.
好啦，玩夠啦，真係入去博物館啦。博物館呢就睇落好大，但係佢其實就係得3個區域嘅展廳，其中一個就會係期間限定嘅。佢個主展廳記載嘅歷史好豐富，由呢個史前時代啊，到經歷多場戰爭，然後去到現代嘅今日都有。佢有好多一啲可以互動嘅展品，好似呢個 Queen of the Night 嘅表演道具。
我唔覺得會甜啊。
This one looks good. Like that's like a pecan.
我哋行完博物館就喺博物館餐廳食晏。博物館嘅餐廳係幾靚嘅，喺度坐成個晏晝都得。佢嘅 menu 呢就得一種選擇，係呢個蜜糖檸檬雞配飯及沙律。我仲食咗個蘋果蛋糕。下一站係對面嘅反轉小屋，佢入面嘅家私擺設全部都係倒轉嘅。入到去就完全冇拍到片，因為真係天旋地轉，好暈啊！我哋返酒店拎完嘢就要去火車站啦。我哋會搭2-3個鐘嘅火車去 Tallinn。
Train station，好嘢！離開呢度，好靚。點入去啊？係咪門嗰度啊？唔 他人咁出嘅其實。For brother, I'll send video. Just like we never talk other than like about reason, I sent him like a 20-second trade video.
然後我哋就上車啦。
飛緊啊 ！Oh no！
有人食番茄嘅時候呢，啲汁彈到成隻窗都係。
我啱見到嗰啲黃色一笪笪，原來外面有雀屎，我冇諗過係你。
我哋下一站就係 Tallinn 啦。鍾意嘅話請你 subscribe、comment、like and share。